Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an Apple AirTag using your iPhone or iPad. To get started, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and you're signed in to your Apple ID. Then hold the AirTag close to your iPhone or iPad. A setup screen will appear automatically. Tap Connect to begin. If you see a message saying more than one AirTag is detected, move the others away and keep just one AirTag near your device. Next, choose a category to name your AirTag, like keys, wallet, bag, or luggage. You can also choose a custom name if you want. After naming the AirTag, tap Continue. You'll then be asked to register the AirTag to your Apple account. Tap Agree or Continue to confirm. Once the setup is complete, tap Done, and your AirTag will now appear in the Find My app. You can also add an AirTag manually using the Find My app. Open Find My on your iPhone or iPad, tap Items at the bottom, then tap the Add button and select Add AirTag. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup. After adding an AirTag, you can choose to share it with someone else. This is useful if you lend out items like keys or bags so others can help locate them. You can also add compatible third-party Find My network accessories in the same way. Open the Find My app, tap Items, tap Add, then choose Add Other Item, and follow the manufacturer's setup steps. Keep in mind that you can add up to 32 items total in the Find My app, including AirTags, shared items, and accessories. If you reach that limit, you'll need to remove an item before adding another one. And that's how you set up an Apple AirTag. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.